You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, everyone. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and happy holidays! I'm feeling kind of festive around here today. So we have one more mystery box for you before the end of the year. So this is Cricut's New Resolutions mystery box. Like, how is it about to be 2023 already? I don't know, but it is. So let's go and see what's in the box. And for the last one of the year, Cricut had to give us a new cutie, so we do have a new cutie. I'm going to go ahead and save him till the end, like the cherry on top. So the first up is premium vinyl, and this is the removable essentials sampler. So you're going to get 6 different 12 by 12 sheets of vinyl here to use. Let's go ahead and open them so I can show you the colors. So here is a closer look at the colors that come in this. So again, there we go. Each one of these sheets is going to be 12 by 12 inches. This way. We are getting a Youth large t-shirt in the box. Not only are we getting the Youth, we are also getting a woman's v-neck, and this is a size medium. So if you have a child that's a large, you can make like mommy and me shirts even with this. So if you get this mystery box, highly suggest try out Cricut's infusible ink. I swear this stuff's like magical. It's just amazing. And they have different patterns available. When you feel a shirt, you feel nothing on the shirt. There's no like, here I put on this iron on here. You don't feel any of that. Once you put the infusible ink on and you heat press it, actually fused into the material. And the Cricut shirts are the perfect polyester. The Cricut shirts are the perfect cotton / polyester blend, or we can just call them polyester. Because, you know, just merge the words. So we're getting one of the Youth large and then the women's v-neck medium. Up next, who likes to make cards? I know lots of you guys have been busy making cards because it's Christmas. But we can always use cards because there's always a holiday or a celebration coming up. So we are going to get the insert cards, the Sensei sampler. I actually have 35 cards that you can make in here. So the colors you're going to get are 12 Twilight, 12 Tulip, 11 powder blue. So you're going to get 35 inserts also. You're going to get 12 mustard, 12 khaki, and then 11 party pink. And then you're going to have 35 envelopes also. 35 is a good amount of cards. And this is in the S40 size. Ooh, I love using these. And we're getting a metallic marker set. Have you guys written with the metallic markers before? I'm actually working on some Christmas cards right now where I'm letting the metallic markers do the writing. These things write so smooth. I absolutely love them. And that silver shows up so good on dark materials. And I seem to like to work with dark codstick. I seem to like to work with dark cardstock a lot. And that silver marker, I love to write on it. It adds some shine to it. And it shows up so well. And the 5 colors it comes in is gold, silver, copper, violet, and blue. So you're getting that 5-pack of metallic markers. And then we're getting not one, but we're getting 2 different colors of the Sports Flex iron-on. And you're gonna get 12 by 24 inches of each of these. So we're gonna get these 2 different colors here. So this is this pretty beautiful, I love this color. This is rose gold. And then we're also getting that midnight blue color also. It has that flex material to it. Hence the name Sports Flex. So it works really good on that active wear material like polyester and nylon and such. And something I'm always excited to get in a box because you can never have too many. Believe me, never too many. We're going to get 2 of the standard grip 12 by 12 mats. Aren't mats, like getting new mats exciting? Like, you know when you get new shoes and then you got to have new socks to go with the new shoes? That's the feeling I get from a new Cricut mat. Not even kidding. And then as promised, we got a new cutie. So what color do you think it's going to be? So we've been going with the true colors. Oh, he's a good Christmas color too. Because we just had the vermilion, which was like a great Christmas red in the last mystery box. This one is, well, if we had red for Christmas, what color do we need? We need green. So we have, look at him, the True Green Cutie. And he does not match any of the cuties I currently have, or actually any of the ones I have here he doesn't come close to. He is a perfect Christmas green, a true green, and he is. He's a true green. So that, guys, is everything that is in our New Resolutions mystery box. And because we got our new friend, it is available to Cricut Access only members. Cricut Access only. It is available only to Cricut Access members, and the price is $59.99. but it's not because you get your access discount. The links are in the video description below, not only the links to purchase it, but also the links to purchase access. Or not purchase access, but to become an access member. There's lots of benefits of access. Not only are you going to save on every purchase from Cricut, but you're going to get access to tons of fonts and images and a background remover and a monogram maker and endless amounts of collections. And I just feel like I could go on. There's a lot. So it's definitely worth checking out. And also in the links below are the links to enter our Melody Lane monthly giveaway. So this giveaway is only open till Christmas morning at 6 a.m. Eastern, but we are giving away 2 winners are going to win $250 each to spend at Cricut.com. So you can go ahead and follow instructions in the link to enter. Rafflecopter will choose a winner on Christmas Day, and then we will go ahead and announce. So good luck to you all. I can't believe this year is only got like a week left. Can't wait to see what Cricut has in store for us in 2023, because each year they bring us new stuff and we're always excited to see what they have. Go ahead and give us the like and the subscribe, and we will let you know all new things Cricut and the new updates that come out. So what are your guys' wish lists for Cricut for 2023? What is something you'd like to see? Maybe it's a feature, maybe it's an item. Let us know in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you guys think. So thank you all to our supporters, our admins, and all of you that make everything so special. We hope you guys have a fantastic 2023. Let's make it a great year, guys. Happy crafting. Bye. Toodles from Alex.